Welcome to this video on senses without a mind. We'll explore how plants and fungi smell, react, and defend themselves, and consider where biology ends and future hybrid technology might begin. Our key topics include chemical senses, defense reflexes, fungal materials, and hybrid biotech. Plants can smell without a nose, using receptor proteins that bind to airborne and soil-borne volatile organic compounds. This lock-and-key chemical system is a real and specific detection process, triggering internal signals like calcium waves or hormone shifts. Sensing leads to action, but not choice. When a plant detects a threat, it runs a pre-wired, effective, and automatic response. Examples include releasing toxins, warning neighboring plants with airborne molecules, calling in predatory reinforcements, and sealing entry points like stomata. A key distinction is that a plant's reflex is not thought. Unlike a mind, plants lack conscious thought, intent, emotion, self-awareness, language, and abstract reasoning. Their sophisticated sensing and signaling are all wiring, similar to an elaborate thermostat, following programmed chemical courses. Plant growth is pre-written, not decided. Growth direction, branching, and lifespan result from genetics, environment, and chemical signals working together. It's an automatic reaction layered on a genetic template with no mind to make decisions from day one onwards. Humans do the deciding. Plants just react predictably to the same inputs every time. Techniques like pruning, light manipulation, bonsai, and grafting all rely on these reliable, pre-programmed responses, allowing us to steer plant growth deliberately. Fungi represent a vast, largely untapped frontier of 1.5 million species. Mycelium, the root-like network of fungal threads, is a renewable raw material with properties rivaling synthetic alternatives, offering applications in packaging, building, water filtration, and medicine. Experimental research shows the potential for personalized antibiotics derived from mushrooms. By exposing a living mushroom to an unknown or resistant bacterial infection, the fungus produces its own antimicrobial metabolites as a natural defense system. These metabolites can then form the basis of a targeted treatment. Famous plant behaviors like sunflowers tracking the sun or mimosa leaves folding are hard-coded, innate, and genetically fixed mechanisms. They are not learned or trained behaviors. The mechanisms are purely mechanical, such as turgor pressure changes or hormone-driven differential cell elongation. A plant's sense of smell is highly functional, distinguishing different chemical threats using scent chemistry. However, this pattern-matching ability has a ceiling, lacking the capacity for real-time judgment or adaptation outside of fixed if/then rules. A realistic roadmap for engineering plant responses involves creating a lookup table of reliable rules. Start by engineering a simple response, like a chemical deterrent, then stack new rules, such as distinguishing pollinators. This provides better crops and pest resistance, but it's not general intelligence. Comparing plant intelligence to early computing is flawed because of the wrong hardware. Unlike silicon transistors capable of fast switching and dense interconnects, plant cells communicate slowly through chemical diffusion. The medium itself limits the speed and complexity, meaning a better algorithm cannot fix the inherent hardware ceiling. The realistic path forward is hybrid biotech, combining plants as sensors with silicon as the mind. Current research includes cyborg plants with implanted electrodes, bionic mushrooms generating electricity, and genetically modified plant biosensors. Plants are ideal sensors because they are self-powered, chemically specific, and biodegradable. In summary, plants and fungi sense chemically, but are reflexive, not conscious. Their growth and movement are genetically hard-coded. Fungi offer genuine promise for materials and medicine. The path to smarter plants lies in hybrid systems, combining biology's sensing capabilities with silicon AI's computational power.